I love polychords because you can play the same complex jazz chords like a D flat, major 7, sharp 11 chord, right? You can play that, but just with simpler and easier to understand notation, so that when you're playing on the spot, you know exactly what that is. So instead of it being a D flat, major 7, sharp 11, so let's play this one. Here's the D flat, F, A flat, C, because it's a major 7. And then we have our E flat, which is the 9. And then we have our G sharp, because it's a sharp 11. So that's the chord. Now, to turn this from traditional jazz notation to polychord notation, what we would do is we would separate the left hand and the right hand, and we would look at the shape of each individual chord with what my individual hands are playing. So it's basically breaking up a jazz chord into 2 chords and just, playing them together. So in my left hand, I have D flat, A flat, and C, right? And then in my right hand, I have E flat and A flat. And for good measure, for the sake of the example, I will add on a C. Because in this song that I have here, C is the first melody note, and then it goes to a B flat once we hit this chord. But for the sake of the example, I will make it a C. So we have a D flat major 7 in the left hand. Then we have an A flat triad that is in second inversion in my right hand. So imagine if we wrote this chord as a polychord. Isn't that beautiful? How much simpler that is to know, like, okay, I'm going to play an A flat in my right hand and a D flat in my left. So I believe that by using polychords, that this is a neurodivergence friendly approach, because it gives us the instantaneous success that we seek, right?